Fast cuts of sizzling hot dogs, creative toppings, and crazy hot dog creations. Hot dogs, America's favorite street food, but today we're taking them to the next level. You've never seen hot dogs like this before. Montage of unique hot dog styles, rainbow buns, deep fried, sushi hot dogs, waffle dogs, and more. We're talking insane toppings, crazy cooking techniques, and hot dog creations you won't believe exist. Stay tuned, because we're about to take your taste buds on a wild ride. Close-up of a sushi-style hot dog wrapped in seaweed with sticky rice, spicy mayo, and tempura flakes. First up, we're fusing two classics, sushi and hot dogs. This is the sushi dog. Fresh nori, sushi rice, a perfectly grilled dog, and a drizzle of spicy mayo. Yum. Guys, this is next level delicious. Hot dog in a sweet brioche bun, drizzled with chocolate sauce, topped with whipped cream, and sprinkled with crushed Oreos. Okay, hear me out. What if hot dogs were dessert? Say hello to the Choco Madness dog. It's sweet, salty, and totally mind-blowing. This shouldn't work, but it does. Now, let's take things up a notch with the deep-fried waffle dog, crispy, golden, and absolutely irresistible. If breakfast and hot dogs had a baby, this would be it. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more crazy food creations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious madness.